Welcome to the Recon Trader. Today's video will be a quick update video to share with you the results from the MUDREX Invest Wind Farm automated crypto trading bot. Now, if you're not familiar with MUDREX, it is a platform that has basically two functions. One would be the MUDREX build, which is what actually attracted me to the platform in the first place, that allows you to create your own automated trading bots. The other part of the platform is MUDREX Invest, which allows you to take advantage of other algorithms and basically invest in those algorithms. And if you follow the link down in the description below, $25 will automatically be added to your account when you sign up, so you could actually use it to pay the fees on the invest or the monthly fee if you decide to upgrade to the premium automated trading bot configuration. And with that all being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers. So just about 30 days ago, I decided to give this Wind Farm ETH a shot, and I threw $500 at the investment, and over that time frame, that $500 has grown to $624.98. Now, I have had to pay what it actually ended up being. Since I started in the middle of July, I ended up paying $5, and then at the 1st of August, I paid another $5. So far, in just about a month's time, I've paid $10 in fees on that $500 investment. So resulting in around $125 profit minus the 10 would bring me down to $115 in profit in just about a month. And if we look inside the numbers, you can see that the total returns since I started on July 17th was 25%. And a big portion of that is in this move up. And when I originally did the first video, when I chose this particular option, I had mentioned that ETH had looked pretty beat up and I was looking for a move up, and that's exactly what we ended up getting. But with that being said, over a 30-day period, I'm pretty happy with a 25% return. Now, you could also look at the market return for this time frame from here to here is 88%. So technically, had you just bought ETH and held it, you'd be up almost 89%. And so we didn't outperform the market, but the reality is a 25% in a month's time is a fantastic return. And if we look a little deeper at the numbers, there were a total of 32 trades. And if we scroll down, we can take a look at those trades and see that the losses are fairly small in comparison to these larger wins. And that's exactly what you should be looking for when you're trading. You want your risk reward, basically your risk to be small and your reward to be high, which actually means you don't have to be right nearly as many times to actually be profitable. Well, we can see a couple 18% returns. And again, all the losses are around 1%, which is completely acceptable when you look at the size of the wins. As we scroll back up, you can see there's two open positions currently. One's at 482% and one's going the other direction, so we'll see how these shake out over time. And if we look more in depth at the numbers, we can see that the largest winning trade was 18. My largest loss was 1.7. Gross profit 28%, but when you do all the fees and everything come off of that, you're actually looking at a return of around 25%. And a couple of numbers a lot of people don't understand or don't look at is like the Sharpe ratio. Anything over 1 is considered acceptable. A number this high, now granted, you've got to understand this is for a short time frame of just about a month, but a number in the 7s, that's fantastic. And what the Sharpe ratio basically does is it's risk-adjusted return. So it kind of measures your risk versus your reward, again, which is what you're looking for. And then the profit factor of 8, again, typically anything over 1, I prefer over 2, but almost 9, again, fantastic. And so I'm going to go ahead and let this run, since I'm basically playing with the house money at this point in time. I'm going to go ahead and let this run for another 30 days, so be sure to subscribe so you can see the updated video when that comes out. Also, if you like the video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any comments or questions Down in the comments down below is where you need to type those in at. But I think that pretty much wraps it up. We are looking at a 25% return on a $500 investment. I think that is satisfactory and worth the risk as far as that goes. So until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.